This episode was previously recorded in front of an imaginary studio audience.
Time for Fun Knife Friday!
Alright, welcome all you knife chatters live from the Volcano Club. It's Fun Knife Friday, and we got a special one today, because today is the Friday before Christmas, and I'm being joined here by my good pal Jake the Jackalope. You know him from a Don't Get Eaten by a Bear Foundation, but you know he's also a very talented musician, aren't you, Jake?
Don't embarrass me, Skip.
Yeah, I'm really glad that he's joining me this year because Jake is going to help me out with a brand new song that we came up with. Me and Jake worked on this, and I got to tell you right now, regardless of what anyone says, this song has nothing to do with any kind of hippopotamuses or any kind of rhinoceroses or any other kind of animal out there. Right, Jake?
Right, Skip.
Yeah, this song is totally original, and if it might sound like some other song you might have heard at one time or another, it's not true. It just isn't the case, and there better not be anybody out there saying copyright infringement or anything. To me, alright, there might be some similarities, a few similarities, but, you know, it's like trying to say that Ice Ice Baby, you know, by Vanilla Ice is the same song as what was that David Bowie song, Pressure. They're not the same song, come on. Everyone knows they're not the same song, and this song is nothing like that other song, right, Jake?
Nothing like it.
Yeah, so while me and Jake get ready for our new song that we're going to perform just a little bit for you in just a little bit, we're going to flash back to last year, and we're going to do that big hit from last Christmas, the 12 Knives of Christmas. And that was a big hit. I mean, what did it do? Did it hit platinum or did it hit gold there, Jake?
I'm pretty sure it hit pot metal, Skip.
Pot metal, huh? Hit pot metal? Yeah, what is that? That's like, is that better than platinum?
No, not quite, Skip.
Oh, okay. All right, I get it. So, it was, what was it? It was at least triple pot metal, right?
Yeah, about 300 sales.
All right, triple pot metal. Sold at least 300 copies. So, and that's pretty good for a Christmas song when you think about it. But anyways, let's cut away to the 12 Knives of Christmas, and then we'll be back for our brand new smash hit that is guaranteed to go at least quadruple pot metal. Don't you think so there, Jake?
Oh yeah, we can dream at least, right?
Alright, let's cut away before I get into a coughing fit. Better not have a coughing fit while we're singing, huh?
Depends. Can you cough in tune?
Skip the Show presents the 12 Fun Knives of Christmas. On the first fun knife of Christmas, old Santa brought to me a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the second fun knife of Christmas, I somehow came upon 2 Swiss Army knives and a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the third fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the fourth fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath.
And you know what, bro? On the fifth fun night for Christmas, I went and bought myself 5 large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblade, 2 Swiss Army knives, and another push dagger in a leather sheath. Now for the sixth fun night of Christmas, old Santa brought to me 6 bayonets fixing,
5 large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger and its leather sheath.
On the seventh fun night for Christmas, old Santa brought to me 7 knives for sailing, 6 bayonets of fixing,
5 large toothpicks, 4 Rambo knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives,
and yep, you guessed it, a push dagger in another leather sheath. And on that 8th fun night of Christmas, that jolly man brought to me
8 hobos tramping, 7 knives for sailing, 6 bayonets poking, 5 ginormous toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger with a leather sheath. It's Damascus with an olive wood handle.
And on the 9th fun night of Christmas, old Santa brought to me 9 fun knives for fishing, 8 hobos for the campfire, 7 knives for boating, 6 bayonets attacking, 5 El Grande toothpicks, 4 jet pilot knives, 3 flickers, 2 Swiss Army knives, and would you believe it? Another push dagger in a leather sheath. On the 10th fun night of Christmas, old Santa brought to me
10 knives for hunting, 9 fun knives for fishing, 8 hobos a tramping, 7 yachters sailing, 6 bayonets fighting, 5 large toothpicks, 4 Rambo knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a sheath of leather.
Now on the 11th fun night of Christmas, boys and girls, old Santa brought to me 11 stilettos stabbing, 10 fun knives for hunting, 1 on punch mushrooms, 9 cool knives for fishing,
8 hobos a tramping, 7 knives a sailing, 6 bayonets fixing, 5 very large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in its very own leather sheath.
And on that 12th fun night for Christmas, you didn't think Santa would forget me, did you? On that 12th fun night for Christmas, old Santa came through with 12 scout knives scouting.
11 stilettos stabbing, 10 hunters skinning, 9 fish knives a filleting, 8 hobos a wandering, 7 sailing knives exploring, 6 bayonets attacking, 5 large toothpicks, 4 jet pilot knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to the conga stage of the Volcano Club and give a volcanic lava welcome to Skip DeSheau and Jackalope Jake as they perform the world debut of that instant classic, I Want a Big Old Bowie Knife for Christmas.
I want a big old Bowie knife for Christmas. Only a big old Bowie knife will do. I don't want a dirk or dinky multi-tool. I want a big old Bowie knife because they are so cool. I want a big old Bowie knife for Christmas. I don't think Santa Claus will mind, do you? You won't have to use our dirty chimney sloop. Just grab and stab it in the door. That's the easy thing to do. I can see me now on Christmas morning, Bowie in a sheath. Oh, what joy and what surprise when I take my big old knife and put my big old Bowie in my teeth. I want a big old Bowie knife for Christmas. Only a big old Bowie knife will do. No multi-tools or drop shutty folders. I only like Bowie knives from Boulder. And big old Bowie knives like me too. Take it, Jake. Old and outdated, but I say the tractor is so overrated. There's lots of room for a Bowie on my leather belt. I'd wear it there to fight off bears and skin him of his pelt. I can see me now on Christmas morning, Bowie in my teeth. Oh, what joy and what surprise when right before your eyes, with my big old Bowie, I carved the Christmas feast. I want a big old Bowie knife for Christmas. Only a big old Bowie knife will do. No multi-tools or drop shutty folders. I only like Bowie knives from Boulder. And big old Bowie knives like me too. Yeah, big old Bowie knives like me too.
Thank you very much. Give it up for for Jackalope Jake, the greatest mini sax player in the world.
Thank you very much. You're too kind. Thank you.
He's such a wonderful musician. I'm so happy that he was able to join me this year for our Christmas celebration. Will you be back again next year, Jake?
I'd be honored, Skip.
Hey, thanks a lot, man. That means a lot to me. And we're hoping you're all back with us next year for Fun Night Friday. Yeah, we're not going anywhere.
Unless we get eaten by a bear.
Hopefully that won't be happening. But anyway, everybody out there, have a great and wonderful Christmas or happy holidays, however you're celebrating it. And a great and joyous New Year. And may you find joy and prosperity in that new year.
And don't get eaten by any bears.
Yeah, don't get eaten by a bear. And, you know, once you find all that prosperity, come on down to the Volcano Club and share a little of it here. And with a couple of drinks and a couple of meals and everything. We'll really appreciate seeing you here next year. Thanks for all you do. Thanks for all your support. And once again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the Volcano Club.
And the Don't Get Eaten by a Bear Foundation.
Skip out. See you again next year.
Unless you get eaten by a bear.
Yeah, unless you get eaten by a bear. Skip out.
If your life's not fun, you're doing it wrong, and Skip Out are registered trademarks of Skip DeSheau's Enterprises. This has been a Cat Production presentation. All rights reserved.